fighter, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together, put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together.
Oh, hello there, my lovely stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today's video is a tag. I was tagged by Ntabi from Ntabi Abby Tabs and Gabby from Hey Gabster to do the secret life of a YouTuber tag. I'll leave links to their channels in the description box below and their tag videos as well so that you can go check them out. They're really cool people and yeah, I'm sure you guys will love them as much as I do. So I have the questions on my phone, so I'll be looking down quite a bit. But yeah, let's get into the video. How long have you been on YouTube? I've been on YouTube for a year and 9 months. Yeah, a year and 9 months. I had another channel, but that one was mainly just like for singing and my acting stuff. But it's not really that active right now because I'm focusing on StallionBlogs, so yeah. We'll just say a year and 9 months. At what point do you think you will stop? I really haven't thought about that. I don't know if I'll stop. I don't know if, when, I don't know. I really haven't thought about that. But yeah, the best thing about YouTube, I think the best thing about YouTube is just the fact that you can be as creative as you want and you can just be authentically you, and you are pretty much your own boss. Nobody's telling you what it is that you need to do, what it is that you need to put up. Yes, of course, your subscribers will usually ask you to do certain videos, but at the same time, you're still able to just be as creative as you want. So that's what I just love. YouTube is just such a creative space that it's amazing. And it's also amazing that you can connect with so many people across borders. It's amazing. It's just really great. The worst thing about YouTube, I can't think of anything that I can say is the worst thing. Maybe the internet trolls, and just like sometimes when I go on some people's channels and I read the comments, the much bigger YouTubers, I just see how mean people can be. Like some people just hate for the sake of hating, and I'm like, why? Like, why? You are just seeing 5 minutes of someone's life and you automatically think you know them. Like, no. So yeah, I think that might be the worst thing, just the internet trolls. How many thumbnail options do you usually take? I take about 4 or 5 pictures at the end of every video. But sometimes I do forget, so then when I'm editing, on those days when I do forget, I just kind of just get little snapshots of different stills or different expressions that I made throughout the video, and just, yeah, I use those for my thumbnail. YouTuber crush. If you are talking about male YouTubers, I don't really watch that many male YouTubers, and I wouldn't say that any of them are really my YouTuber crushes. If I do remember one, I'll link them below, but I can't think of any male one. But if I were to look at the female ones, because I am all about women empowerment and I feel like, girl love is a fantastic thing, I would say my YouTuber crush is Shameless Maya, Miss Brittany M, and oh, speaking of girl love, Superwoman. Yeah, Lily Singh, Superwoman. Yeah, those are the 3 that I would say are my women crushes on YouTube, definitely. Because I just love their vibe and their spirit, and of course there are many others, but those are my top 3 for sure. Who's on your collab wish list? I would definitely say Miss Brittany M if I'm looking at it internationally. I'll say Miss Brittany M. I just love her. I love her channel. She's so authentic and not afraid to be herself and not afraid to just say things like they are We do have a lot in common. I am very inspired by her, and yeah, I would definitely love to collab with her. But if I were looking at it from within Africa, all my African YouTube friends, I mean all of them, I would definitely love to collab with Motherland B. Yes girl, I want to collab with you. I don't know how we're gonna make it work, but we will figure something out. A collab has to happen. Hey Gabster, Ntabi, Barati from Pretty Daily, Kay from Pink Identity, Issa Sipa. Like, I just wanna just collab with all, and just honestly anybody. I don't wanna lie. Anybody who has a cool idea and just feels like, you know, we could bring our separate channels together somehow, and I'm all for it. So if you have anything that you want to collab with me on, just hit me up, let me know, and we'll figure something out. What are you wearing on your bottom half? I'm wearing joggers because I'm at home and I'm comfortable. So yeah, I'm wearing joggers and socks, no shoes, because who wears shoes in the house? I mean, how long until you actually click record? It actually doesn't take me a long time to click record. I click record and then it takes me a while to actually start talking. So for me, I click record, I sit on my bed, and that's pretty much it. That's about it. I just start talking once I am settled. So it doesn't take me a long time to click record. How do you feel about the YouTube community / culture? I'm still new to YouTube, so I don't really have much of an opinion as of right now. Especially because I'm a very independent. For now, I've just been very focused on just developing myself and growing myself as a YouTuber, and figuring out what it is that I really want my channel to be like. So I'm still in that self-exploration phase. But one thing that I've realized about the YouTube community is that, or the YouTube culture, is that, you know, YouTube is a place for people to just come together, and it's amazing how people from different continents, people in different places can connect through this platform. It's amazing. I feel like it's really, it's great. It's a great place to like get to know people and get to learn about new cultures and new, you know, different people from different places. I feel like it's a nice integrated community. It's really nice. It's really great. What's your secret to a successful YouTube channel? Be relatable and be authentically you. I realized that for me, my favorite YouTubers are those people that are unashamedly themselves. People who just do them, and they are not afraid to be themselves. They're not afraid to show their weak side. They're not afraid to be vulnerable, and that's what makes you relatable, because people can see that, oh, so she also has moments of weakness. He too has moments of weakness, and you can sometimes connect on that level. You can change someone's life just by being you and making them realize that it's okay to mess up every now and then, because that's gonna happen. Mistakes happen all the time. We make mistakes, but it's important to learn from them. And I feel like when people share those moments of weakness and show people that, you know, yes, I too don't have a glamorous life. I might look like I'm super amazingly positive all the time, but there are moments when I feel totally just like, sorry about that, my camera switched off. But like I was saying, being relatable, being authentically you, people connect with you on a different level, and on a level that, you know, they feel comfortable with you. So yeah, be relatable, and being authentically you will definitely make your channel successful. Okay, and the last question, who do you tag? I tag, oh my gosh, who hasn't done this? I tag K, Pink Identity. I'm not sure if you've done it. If you have, okay, cool, fine. I tag Barati, Pretty Daily. Once you come back to the YouTube world, yes, there's a tag waiting for you, and I hope that you'll be back soon, because we miss you out here. Yeah, so I tag K, I tag Barati, I tag Esasi Pato if he hasn't done it already. Who else do I tag? I tag Motherland B, Basasana, I tag you. So yeah, I tag those people. Everybody else that I would have tagged has already been tagged. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of talking, but I still do hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. If you did, leave a comment below and let me know what other videos or tags you want me to do. And also subscribe if you haven't already, and join this amazing Stallion Nation. I am super thankful to all of you who continue to watch and continue to support me. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace!